Hello, my name's Megan.
My name's Jessie.
We're going to do the cinnamon challenge. Oh, come on.
Turn it off.
No. It's all done with. Oh, be careful.
Apparently.
These are our spoons. Ready, one?
On your marks, get set, go. No.
Look at hers. I need water.
I'll get you some in a moment.
Dad, I need water. I need water now. Daddy,
You got to clear it all up. You got to swallow it now. You wanted to do it, swallow it.